Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Let's take a look at the daily chart first. Here on this structure or on the chart, you can see that the move down initially was a 5-wave pattern. So the move down from the all-time high, was basically a corrective move. No, actually an impulsive move to the downside in 5 waves. You can always be wrong about this 5-wave move, or I can be wrong, but the thing is, it's a pretty obvious 5-wave move. You can probably define this also as a WXY pattern to the downside. The problem is that the move up is also looking rather corrective. So the move down is a 5-wave move. The move up currently looks corrective. So we have a 3-wave move up and we have really messy subwaves. So that all basically confirms the larger degree outlook here. It is at the moment a, let's say, bearish wave count, but there is plenty of upside potential also in this corrective rally that we have on the chart, which would be an A, B, C structure. I mean, even this count, the wave 2, which is the corrective rally we're dealing with right now, could reach 33.6 cents, no problem. Only above that level, something different is going on. Only above this level, something more bullish is going on. And that is always possible. I keep an open mind. The trend surely is up at the moment, short term, and we don't want to fight the trend, but we have the resistance areas on the chart to understand when things could, where the price could get rejected and, see reactions and so on. But I think it's worth understanding that, we're tracking the move up, but it's likely only a corrective pattern. If anything changes, we can always adjust, okay? And I'm very open to the idea that something more bullish is playing out, but most importantly, GALA can participate in a bullish market, also in a corrective rally. Now let's take a look at these, short term. And here you can see, let's go to the 4-hour chart first. You can see this initial move up here from the October lows. We have this A wave up, a B wave down, and possible C wave up. At least it performed quite well over the last few days. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. You can see, at least in my interpretation, the move up looks like a 3-wave move only so far. And if we look at the structure, we count the move up that peaked in December as an A wave, the move down that bottomed in January as a B wave, clear 3-wave move. And the move to the upside that's unfolding now could be a C wave. And the subwave structure isn't entirely clear. I currently can only see a 3-wave move up. Would like to see 5, and I would like it to reach the 100% extension level, which is at 5.8 cents. So that's sort of a milestone target, next milestone on the chart. Not entirely sure if we get there, but what we can do, we can also track the relevant support area. And best I can do really is to use the 50% retracement level of what I have labeled as a 3rd wave rally. And this level is at 2.97 cents, which means that further upside in this count can be expected as long as that 50% Fibonacci level is holding. And that's at, as I said, 2.97 or 2.98 cents. And it doesn't look finished, okay? Ideally, the market should move a little higher, stretch towards that 5.8 cent level. If it can't do that, and if we break below the 2.98 cent level, I have to assume that the yellow count is unfolding here, the yellow sub-wave count, in which we only saw a high B wave. Do I prefer that? Absolutely not. And in this scenario in which we have a high B wave, even the C wave might end above A, because the C wave and the A wave have a certain length. So if we now were going to see a break below support at 2.98 cents, then the C wave might end around 2.4 cents, just above the A wave. Very difficult structure, but I see the move up as correction. Once I see that wave 4 is complete, I will let you know. I'll try to. I don't see a clear entry point now or anything. That level was, that was here in the orange support region. Once we see the next clear setup or yeah, anything that's sort of clear and offers maybe a low risk entry, I will add that to the chart. So short-term trend up, should stretch a little higher to around about 5.8 cents, but it takes a little bit more work to get there. That's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.